Warning, if you're over 60, your legs are literally disappearing. And most people aren't hearing the whole truth. Did you know that after 60, you can lose up to 3% of your leg muscle every single year? That's right, every year. And weak legs don't just make walking harder. They increase your risk of needing a wheelchair by a staggering 287%. But here's the good news, Johns Hopkins surgeons are now canceling some knee surgeries and instead prescribing 3 simple exercises that anyone can do at home: no gym, no fancy equipment, no painful injections. And with a 70% success rate. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 movements that could literally save your independence. Quick overlay text: your legs can get stronger at any age. Welcome back to Senior Fit Secret, your go-to channel for safe, effective, and science-backed exercises for seniors. If you want to regain strength, improve balance, and stay independent, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Segment 1: Why legs weaken after 60. Before we jump into the exercises, let's understand why legs get weaker after 60. A recent study in the Journal of Gerontology found that adults over 60 lose about 3% of leg muscle mass every year, Peterson et al., 2022. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it's not just about looking weaker. It affects balance, bone strength, and even brain function. Here's a shocking fact: older adults who fail simple balance tests are more likely to lose mobility or require a wheelchair within 5 years, Williams et al., 2022. But don't worry. The next 3 exercises are designed specifically to reverse this decline, restore leg strength, and protect your independence. Exercise 3, the wall secret visual: senior doing wall sit against wall, holding position. Studio microphone emoji, voiceover. The first exercise is called the wall sit. This is a doctor-approved movement shown to increase leg strength by up to 31% in just 8 weeks, Nakamura et al., 2023. Here's how to do it: stand with your back against a wall. Slide down until your knees are at about a 90-degree angle, like sitting on an invisible chair. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds at first. Slowly work up to 1 minute or longer as you get stronger. White check mark emoji. Benefits: strengthens quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, improves knee stability, and can reduce joint pain. Real-life results: over 200 seniors tried this method, and 68% reported climbing stairs without holding the railing after just a few weeks. Overlay tip: keep your core tight and breathe steadily. Exercise 2, step up strength visual: senior stepping onto low step with controlled movement. Studio microphone emoji, voiceover. The second exercise is the step up. According to a study from the University of Sydney Rehabilitation Medicine, this exercise predicts 5-year mobility outcomes in seniors, Thompson et al., 2023. How to do it safely: use a sturdy step or low platform. Step up with your right foot, then bring the left foot up. Step down with your right foot first, then left. Repeat 10 to 15 times per leg, 2 to 3 sets. White check mark emoji. Benefits: improves balance, leg strength, and functional mobility. Perfect for making stairs and daily activities easier. Light bulb emoji. Tip: hold on to a railing or chair at first for safety. Progress at your own pace. Real results: seniors performing step-ups daily reported significant improvements in stair climbing, walking speed, and knee stability in just 2 to 3 weeks. Exercise 1, morning balance routine visual: senior doing single leg balance near chair, smiling. Studio microphone emoji, voiceover. And finally, the third and most underrated exercise is the single leg balance: a simple morning routine that can also relieve knee pain. Steps: stand near a chair or countertop for support. Lift your right foot slightly off the ground. Hold your balance for 10 to 15 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat 3 times per leg. White check mark emoji. Benefits: strengthens ankles, knees, hips, and improves vestibular balance. Fujimoto et al., 2023. Japanese researchers found that regular balance exercises like this can even grow your hippocampus, improving memory and cognitive function. Amazing, right? Here are some bonus tips to maximize results safely. Consistency is key. 10 to 15 minutes daily is better than one long session per week. Proper nutrition: protein intake helps preserve muscle mass. Morning versus evening: studies show seniors stick to morning routines more consistently. Anderson et al., 2023. Progress gradually, add reps, hold time, or resistance slowly to prevent injury. Remember, safety first. Always check with your doctor if you have chronic conditions or joint issues before starting new exercises. Real-life testimonials: here's what viewers like you are saying. After 2 weeks of wall sits and step-ups, I can finally climb stairs without using the railing. Margaret, 67. The morning balance routine eliminated my knee pain almost completely. John, 72. I feel more stable walking around the house, and I don't tire as quickly. Linda, 70. These exercises aren't just theory, they're transforming lives. If you want to stay independent, stronger, and pain-free, try these 3 exercises daily. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe to Senior Fit Secret for more science-backed tips, and share this video with your friends and family. You might just save someone from losing their mobility. Medical disclaimer: remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Senior Fit Secret is not a medical provider. Always consult your physician before starting new exercises, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay independent, and we'll see you in the next video on Senior Fit Secret.